Every day, millions of students around the world sit in classrooms, struggling to learn from textbooks that were never designed for them. In rural schools, in underfunded communities, and even in well-equipped classrooms, one-size-fits-all education leaves countless students behind. And it's not just the students who suffer. Teachers, the backbone of our education system, spend countless hours after school creating quizzes, worksheets, and assessments from textbook pages. It's exhausting, time-consuming, and a Scan Learn transform any textbook into interactive quizzes, powered by Gemma 4. Introducing Scan Learn, a smart, AI-powered tool that transforms any textbook page into an interactive, personalized quiz in seconds. With a clean, intuitive interface, Scan Learn is designed for both educators and students. Using Scan Learn is as simple as taking a photo. Open the app, point your camera at any textbook page, or upload an image from your device. Scan Learn accepts photos of physical books, screenshots of digital textbooks, even handwritten notes. This is where the real power of Scan Learn comes to life. Powered by Gemma 4, Google's cutting-edge multimodal AI, Scan Learn doesn't just read the text. It understands the context, identifies key concepts, and generates a variety of question types. Multiple choice, fill in the blank. Students engage with dynamically generate questions that test comprehension, not just memorization. Each question is crafted to match the difficulty and subject matter of the uploaded content. Instant feedback helps students learn from mistakes in real time, turning every quiz into a... But Scan Learn doesn't stop at quizzes. A real-time results dashboard gives educators and students clear insights into performance. Track progress over time, identify strengths, and pinpoint areas that need more attention. Data-driven learning made the result. Students who were once disengaged are now excited to learn. They're scoring higher on tests, asking better questions in class, and developing a genuine love for learning. Scan Learn doesn't just quiz, it empowers. And the impact doesn't stop at individual classrooms. When one teacher adopts Scan Learn, it ripples outward. Schools see improved test scores across the board. Communities gain access to quality education tools. And the gap between Scan Learn is built with modern web technologies, designed to run on any device with a browser. And because it's powered by Gemma 4, it can even run locally on edge devices, bringing AI-powered education to schools with limited... Scan Learn was built with passion, purpose, using Gemma 4 by Nawang Dujay. Because every student, no matter where they are, deserves access to the future of learning. The future of education starts here. The future of education starts now. Scan Learn. Learn smarter, not harder.